Hey everyone, welcome back to Tea of the Week. This week we are exploring an herbal blend of 4 ingredients that's packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, organic Chaga Mushroom Tea. Mushrooms in tea can sound a little daunting to some, but the flavor of this blend is deliciously spiced and lightly earthy, and you'll be amazed by the health benefits chaga mushrooms carry. Chaga mushroom tea has a rich history steeped in tradition and wellness. This earthy tea is made from the nutrient-rich fungus that grows on birch trees. Chaga can boost immunity, support digestion, and even promote healthy skin. Its antioxidant properties are believed to help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, benefiting overall health and wellness. Organic rooibos originates from South Africa and is renowned for its vibrant red color and smooth, slightly sweet flavor. Rich in antioxidants, rooibos can support heart health, aid digestion, and promote radiant skin. Its naturally occurring compounds contribute to its potent health benefits. Made from the bark of the cinnamon tree, this aromatic tea is prized for its distinctively sweet and spicy flavor profile. Cinnamon has been used for centuries in various cultures for its potential health benefits. It is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help support overall health. Some studies suggest that cinnamon can also help regulate blood sugar levels and support heart health. Organic cacao nibs, small pieces of crushed cacao beans from the cacao tree, have been enjoyed for centuries in Central and South America for their rich taste and potential health benefits. Cacao nibs are packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids, which may help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. They also contain minerals like magnesium, which is important for muscle and nerve function, as well as iron, which is essential for healthy blood cells. When brewed into a tea, cacao nibs offer a rich and slightly bitter flavor reminiscent of dark chocolate. For this week's recipe, we are making some delicious chaga mushroom tea-infused muffins. These muffins are a treat, perfect for a cozy morning or a sweet afternoon pick-me-up with warm cinnamon spices and rich chocolate. To begin, steep the tea leaves in the water for 10 minutes, then preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, combine the flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. In a small bowl, beat together the egg, milk, oil, and tea. Next, stir the wet mixture into the dry mixture until it's moistened, and then fold in the chocolate chips. Fill 12 paper-lined muffin cups 3/4 of the way full with the mixture. Bake for about 15 to 18 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Then decorate with frosting and cinnamon sprinkles if desired, and enjoy these delicious muffins. Thank you for joining us for this Tea of the Week featuring organic chaga mushroom tea. We look forward to sharing more tea discoveries with you in the weeks to come, but until then, stay warm, stay curious, and keep sipping.